What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Promise Mascot Agency on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam first, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, then locate the game, so search it up, and as you can see, we can buy this game on Steam for €24.50. But don't worry, we got a workaround. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what you need to do is search for the same game, Promise Mascot Agency. Then search for it, select games on the left side, and of course sort by price lowest first. And now you will find a version for PC which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can select it. Now if you select the game, then you will find out that this game is already available for just €14.94 compared to the price of €24.50. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a complete new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!